Shweta Suresh Kalshetti. I belong from the state Maharashtra and the district Usmanabad. First of all, I would say I am indebted to the National Jal Mitra Elocution competition because of which I could participate, and I am going to express my thoughts in front of you all. Today I would like to have a speech about a topic, and the title of the topic is Water Conservation, Everyone's Responsibility. So let's get started. Water conservation is an incredible effort, and every little amount saved helps. So do not think that what you do does not matter. We all must make changes in our lifestyles. A lot of people who save just a small amount of water adds up to substantial savings. We have to conserve the water, not just we think about once in a while when the water is scarce. If we all do our part in conserving water, we will make a positive impact on the environment. Conserving water now, it means that having water available in the future for recreational purposes. Saving water, we have minimized the effect of water shortages, and it helps to build a better defense against future drought years. If we conserve water now, we are helping to ensure a water supply adequate for the future generations. Conserving water saves the atmosphere, preserves our way of life, and saves money. Time is moving on, so let's move towards the crucial point, which is about how to conserve the water. First is to reduce the water usages. With this point, we can choose to do the simple ways that each family can practice at home. For example, first we stop leaking of water. With this leakage, we are definitely unable to save or protect the water. So therefore, we had better check whether there is any leakage in our taps. Another way, we can always turn off the faucets while we are brushing teeth and doing the washing up. Because if we drop the water away, we will waste abundance of water usage. Now let's know about the recent condition of water conservation in India and the viewpoints of Indian government towards it. A water conservation in India should be a mass movement because, as per the economic survey, India will be in the global hotspot for water insecurity by 2050. Water crisis and its conservation are the major concerns in India. The Prime Minister of our country, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, has also urged people to conserve water and amid country's water crisis. During his program Mann Ki Baat, today, several parts of our Indian country are experiencing an acute water crisis. Therefore, the government of India has taken a step to conserve the water through the production of crops, through the optimal water usage. The Union Minister of Jal Shakti, Mr. Gajendra Shekhawat ji, has recently said that the requirement of water for the agriculture is considerably high in India. Out of our total groundwater availability, we use 6% for the domestic use, another 5% for the industrial purposes, and the remaining 89% goes for the agriculture. And actually it is a good thing because agriculture is one of the most needed and crucial thing for our nation. The government of our India has approved Atal Bhujal Yojana, a rupees 6,000 crore central sector scheme for sustainable management of groundwater resources with community participation in water, stressed blocks of Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan. So guys, these are the plans, these are the projects the government is looking for water conservation. But I have to say here matters that as an aware citizen of our country, everyone has to cooperate. Everyone has to cooperate our government, and our minor cooperation is going to mean a lot. Everyone might have heard that no water, no life. In reality, we can live without food for 3 to 5 days a week, but we can never stand for living without water for a day. Water is a basis of life living on the earth. Without a proper condition of water, there must be a bad effect on all lives. So get through the water conservation, we are supposed to recognize the importance. So dear all guys, before giving a finishing touch to the speech, let me get back to the main points I have mentioned about what the water conservation plays an important role for, why should we conserve the water, and how can we do in order to conserve it. Eventually, I would rather say one thing here, that it is our collective and individual responsibility to preserve and tend to the world in which we all live. So, my beloved people, let's conserve the water and let's make our future bright. Thank you so much.